So far, actually, we already discussed what is a Docker and all those things, and Docker components also we already discussed. So step by step, we already seen that how to create a image, how to pull the image, how to log, how to create a Docker Hub, all those things, and how to create a how to pull the images from Docker Hub publicly. Okay, how to run a container. We already seen all these things, right? Okay. Today we are going to see.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah, Abhishek, tell me.
Are you sharing the screen? Now you are sharing.
Yeah, now I am sharing.
Okay, fine.
I'm going to be launch that instance Docker for them. You already know how to create an instance, all these things, guys. That's what I'm not explaining here. So just wait. Uh, Launch one instance. Docker. You will not probably everything is same. I'm going to be launch all these things. See, we already seen all these things, guys. What are the key components? Everything it is available. We already seen Docker image how to pull publicly. Okay, in company inside it is showing private only. Last time we already taken Nginx. Okay, and we are going to be create how to create a container from an image. Okay, then how to create a Docker app and how to store the our images for backup purpose. Okay, this one I will tell you guys Docker file and all those things. This one client side version we already checked and server side architecture also we already checked. See client side how you are going to be checked Docker -hyphen version like that you are going to be checked. Okay, and server side how you are going to be check the version and everything Docker info. Then you are going to be check all the how many containers it will be run, how many images will be stored, what are the containers stored, and each and everything you are going to be seeing server side also. Okay, right? We are created last time one dev environment in Docker Hub, right? For storing, it is a different environments are going to be store your images. Okay, then these are all the Docker installation steps. We already take one EC2 instance and install this Docker. This uninstall is guys, it is a Linux. Uninstall -y Docker, it is a Linux, guys. Okay, Amazon Linux. Okay. So I took it as a here apt install Docker. Okay, apt install Docker. Okay, and I have started Docker. So I will show you. I'll show you how to install. I already showed you how to install all those things. But again, I'm going to show you. I'm going to I'm going to be the root. And before that, I'm going to be showing here a small thing. See, if I want to see my IP address, if config. Say I want to install this networking tools, guys. Then you can see here, there is a one existing Ethernet port number is available. This is your private IP. If you can see here, this 172 31, 24, 178. This is your private IP, guys. This is your private IP and your subnet mask. Okay, your subnet mask and your MTU, maximum transfer units, and one loopback address. It is kept. But whenever I install, here it is kept automatically one bridge network, guys. See, I'm going to show you. Before that, I'm going to be update here. Sudo apt update. Okay. Going to be clear screen. Here sudo apt ins install docker.io -y. Okay. See, like this, I'm going to be install Docker, guys. Now I'm going to be start. Okay. Like this. Now I'm going to check the status. See here, active and running and enable also. Going to be pick this one. I'm going to be clear this screen. So, see, is there any Docker images? Nothing is there. Okay, any containers are there? Docker PS. See, any stopped containers I want to see means Docker PS -a, guys. Any containers? There is nothing is there, nothing image there. So I want to take a one image from publicly. Okay, Docker full ngins. See here, if you can search here, it will become lot of, guys. It will become lot of. Yeah. I repositories. This is my profile, guys. I already logged in this one yesterday. Okay, this one you can see. I'm going to check njinx. See here, Docker command. Now I want to any CentOS. Or else I need any Ubuntu. Like this, lot of things I can able to download from public. These are the public images, guys. See now, Nginx. See, I'm going to be taking this Ubuntu also. Let's see. I'll take this CentOS also. Now I'm going to show you all three images are there or not. Image. I want to make it a list. See, image only you have to give. Don't give as a images ls. Okay, images ls it won't work, guys. Okay, see here. There's nothing it's showing. Okay, don't give like this. Image ls like that you can give. Okay, image like that you can give. Or else Docker images you can give comment. Docker images you can give. List of images if you want to see. Okay, see here. Ubuntu, Nginx, CentOS, all are there. Okay, all three images are will be there, right? See, from these three images, I'm going to be run one container. How to run? Docker run -d. D means detaching mode. Or else you can give like this interactive terminal daemon like this -itd. Okay, hyphen name, any name, container name. For example, Abhi. Okay, I say my container name is a Abhi. Okay, hyphen port number. Okay, hyphen port number. Okay, I'm going to take it as a 404 or 49. Else I will take any because some port numbers are will be default. It is available. That's what we take this Python colon engine is port number 80. I'm going to take a set here. I can take repository name or else image ID also I can take. Now I will take a nginx, whatever you want you can take, guys. There is no issue. Okay, nginx. See, container is created. Now I want to see Docker and PS. See, container is running. So I'm going to be taking this public IP and there it is. See, if you can see, Python port number, your container port number, guys. Another one is your host port number. Okay, another one is your host port number. This one. This one is your container port number, guys. This one is your container port number. Which port number it is going to your application will be run as a container. It is a Python port number. Your application will be run. Okay, default port number is 80, guys. Show you. Welcome to Nginx. Okay, welcome to Nginx. So, see, now I want to run one more container also. Okay, I will run one more container also. Before that, see now I run as a container. Okay, container inside I have to go to container inside. Okay, so how to go? Docker exec. Okay, Docker exec, guys. Docker exec. IT means interactive terminal, guys. Interactive terminal. Okay. See, this is the Nginx. Okay, I'm going to take it as a container ID here. If you want, you can take it as a container name also, guys. This RB also you can take. There is no issue. Okay, but I'm taking as a this one. So here I'm going to as a bin bash, guys, because here container how it will be act as a it is act as a one server, guys. It is act as a one server. It is act as a one Linux server like that. Okay. See, that's what I'm doing as a bin bash. You can see I'm entering container inside. See, whenever I install Linux, it is having a automatically default directories, right? Default directories, right? So if you can see here, let's say -L. See all the again default directories it is coming. Okay, these are all the Docker, guys. Docker container. Okay, Docker container. We have a one default directories available. Again, this bin directory, etc/home, libraries, mount point, operations, and everything it is available, guys. Okay, like this, you are going to be enter inside the container. If you want to modify any configuration files, anything, any temporary files, or else any files you want to store, you can store it here. Okay, coming to exit. If you want to come out, exit, guys. See, I came to again root. Okay. See, before I showed you if config, right? That time it is showing only your private IP on loopback address. Here, if you can see, if config, see whenever I install, okay, whenever I install, there is a Docker 0 is there. There is a Docker 0. Okay. Before it is came only Ethernet port number, this loopback address only. Okay. These are things are nothing is came, right? But whenever I install this Docker, it is automatically came Docker 0. Okay. This is a default network of Docker, guys. Default network of Docker. It is called as a bridge network. It is called as a bridge network, guys. It is called as a bridge network. I will tell you how many networks are it is available inside. Okay, don't worry. Okay, I will tell you. Okay. This is called as a bridge network. Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry. How many networks are available on all those things. But just for purpose only, I showed you. Okay. So that so Docker inside we already enter, right? Docker PS, how many it is there? Only one container. Okay. And how many images are there? There is a 3 images is there. Now I want to remove. So I want to remove any one. Okay, anyone. Okay, anyone, any container because it is already only one container it is there. Before that, I have to log in Docker, guys. I have to log in Docker Hub. Why? Because I want to store. Okay, I want to store this Nginx image. Okay, I want to store means I want to log in. Okay, Docker login user. See, login success. Login successfully, guys. Okay. So I want to store this Nginx image because if anybody accidentally deleted, see, I don't want to because it is taking as a 192 MB, it is taking as a okay, storage. Okay, it is taking as a some storage space. Okay, so I don't want to make it this way. I want to take this image as a backup. That time what I have to do? I have to push this image to remote repository. Remote repository means Docker Hub, guys. Remote repository means Docker Hub. Okay, I already created a. You can see. See, I already created this image, right? So I'm going to be create. I'm going to be push this image, guys. See here. Okay. So before pushing, you have to create a tag, guys. Docker tag. What is tag name? Tag name? Nginx latest, right? JNX colon latest. What is your remote repository? See, Krishna SBI dev environment, right? You have to give this one. Then you have to give a tag name, guys. Tag name. Okay. You have to give tag name. What is the tag name? I'm going to give as a tag name as a Vamsi. Okay, I'm going to give as a tag name as a Vamsi, guys. So I'm going to be push Docker. Push. Okay. Docker push. It is already existing like that. It is showing. But I'll check this came or not. See, it is came. Okay. This came. Okay, if anything, few seconds ago, if you can see here, few seconds ago. Okay, but it is already there because last time I already same image, different versions, like first versions are IFNV like that. Last time I already sent it. Okay, few seconds ago I sent it this Rumsey tag. Okay, one image I can create as a number of containers. One image I can create as a number of containers. One image I can create as a number of containers. Okay, like that we have to push any tags. See now I want to show you Docker ES. This is one container, Docker. Images, ls, sorry, Docker image ls. See, all these things are available. So now I want to delete this image base. I want to delete this image. Docker RMI. RMI means remove. I means image base. NGINX. Can see here. See, it is removed, guys. It is removed, but it is already stored here, guys. It is already stored here. Now I will remove all these things, guys. Now I will remove all these things. Okay. Is removed or not? You can check. See, but this Vamsi it is still there. Why it is there, guys? Because one container is running as a Vamsi. One container is running as a Vamsi, and it is stored in Docker Hub, guys. It is stored in Docker Hub. Okay, Docker. Yes, you can see. Still, it is running as a Abi. Okay, as a Abi. So I want to remove any container. You can see Docker remove. You cannot remove. Why? Because it is running, guys. Why? Because it is running. It is still running. That's what I cannot able to remove. Before, if any Docker container, if you want to remove, you have to stop the container, guys. You have to stop the container. All these commands I already written here. Don't worry. Okay. See, all the commands I already written here. Don't worry. How to create a Linux, how to show in the containers, stop the containers and everything. See, now I'm going to be stop this container. Okay. Stop stop container ID. See, now Docker PS I will type. See, nothing is there. Okay, nothing is there. But whenever I'm going Docker PS -a, you can see stop it. See, it is Docker PS means it is showing only running container, guys. Okay, what are the running processes? Docker PS means running process. What are the running process only it is showing. IFNA means what are the stopping, what are the creating, all those things it will be shows. IA means all this, and then is all. Okay, see it is stopped containers. It is going to be showing here. See now I want to remove. Now I'm going to be now going to be show you Docker PS-A. Is there? This only one is there. This one also I can do. Control clear. See now nothing is there. Docker ts. Okay, nothing is there, guys. Nothing is there. Okay, so I already created one image and I logged in as a Docker Hub. Then I can push that image also for backup purpose. Now I want to same image I want to pull. Okay, Docker pull. What is the tag name I given here? See, this is the thing only. Vamsi, right? Today I created as a Vamsi 3 minutes ago. Okay, Docker pull. We have to give the tag name, guys. Okay. See, I given as a my Docker pull. This is my Docker Hub as a tree. Okay, Docker Hub ID, and this one is my repository, guys. My repository and colon this tag. Okay, this tag only, tag name only I given. See here. This is my Docker Hub. Okay, username. This is the repository name. And which repository? See, I am going to dev environment repository. Okay. If you want, you can create a QA environment or UAT or staging environment like that. You can able to create. Okay. Now Docker image I will show you. Docker images. See, image has been created. For this image, I can create one container, guys. Docker. Docker for hyphen ITD. Interactive terminal daemon like that. Hyphen. Name. See, now I'm going to give as a name. Container name is different. Sachin. Can give as a Sachin. Okay. Okay. Container port number I'm going to give now. Change, guys. Now I'm going to be change. Not sure. Colon. Okay. I'm going to be give my image ID or image name. Okay. I'm going to give now image ID. I given as a wrong here. You can see here Docker WI type. That's what it is not going to take. So it is created Docker PS. See, only running containers it is showing. Okay. See, this 404 it is coming or not. I'm going to be show you this. See, welcome to the engines. Like this, you are going to be store your images. Okay. Store your images and backup. Okay. You can take a backup after delete also for space. Okay. For space, guys. Okay. You can take a backup for all the images from Docker Hub. Okay. Then I already showed you guys how to enter also. One more time I will show you. EXEC hyphen ID search. My container name is Sachin / bin dash. You can see here +-L. I came in enter into the inside container, guys. I enter into the inside container. Okay. That's what again it is showing all the. See, container, I already told you starting itself, container is a OS level virtualization. Okay, OS level virtualization. Okay. Now I'm going to be exit, guys. See, again I came to the root. Okay, again I came to the page. Like this, you can create number of images, number of containers. Okay. Take it, how many images? Only one image. I will take it. Docker full. See, now I'm taking as a tab CentOS. Just downloading. Next. Docker full. You can see Docker. Like this, you can create as a number of images and number of containers also. I will show you. So now going to be Docker run -itd -net. See, this time I'm going to give as a I'm going to create as a one sub container name is one sub. Okay. Docker run -itd. Then container port number. I have to give 40 port number and Ubuntu is 80. Forty is not taking. Internet access request resource is derived. Okay. So I'm going to take it any other guys. Port number I'm going to be changed. One application port number I will take 9,000 like that. Does not exist. Image not found. Okay. Image is not found. I'm going to images. ITD. Name. I will take. Because these port numbers, some port numbers, it is already predefined, guys. It is around 0 to 1025 like that. It's available. Remaining port numbers, you can see it as a 0 to 65535 port numbers. It is available. Okay, some of the port numbers are already predefined, guys. Okay, that's why it is not going to be logged. Okay, or nice be. Okay, I'm going to give you as a port number. CentOS I will give. I'm going to take it as ID. Is also not there. Base reference. Am I right? And take it as a this 2000 port number I will take. Anything you can take as CentOS or these all are Linux flavors only. All are default port numbers. No issue. Okay, contact, but it's also DSP. And Docker run it's correct only. No, it is not in Docker login, it is denied. These all are enterprise only, it is not taking, it is a denied. Last time also we got the same issue only. Okay. Don't read all these things. Docker images only. Docker run. -ITD. -name. I can give same name only, Abhi only. Input port number. Give again 40. Voluntary. See, it is created. Why it is not coming earlier, guys? Because I missed this port number. Okay. Whenever you are giving as a this port number, just type proper way. Okay. Otherwise, it is not coming. Okay. That is the main problem just before. Okay. Now I'm going to show you Docker PS. Container is running this port number. So I'm going to show you. Party only. It will be run, guys. So don't worry. It will become. Or else you can change the security groups, or else you can change it. Okay. There's no issue. The container will be work because here if you can see up and running 22 seconds. Okay. This is the same thing only. You can create like that. We'll try to. Sorry, I will try to do it under browser. Some security issue only. There is no issue, guys. Okay. It will become like that only. Okay. There is no issue. Okay. Because I already done the same port number. Okay. If you run any containers also, you have to do like this way only. Okay. Any doubt, guys, up to now? Hello.
No, Krishna.
Abhi, do you have any doubt, Abhi, up to now?
No, as of now, good, Krishna.
No problem. You have to create it because why it is only some security issue only, but it is running only. Okay, all the containers how to run like this way only. Okay, number of containers. Okay, and I already showed you how to start and how to stop also, and I'm going to be stop this one, and I will show you Docker TOP stop container also. Start. This image ID. So I have to take this container. See, it is came or not. Docker stop or not. Docker PS. It is showing only running containers only. Okay. Here it is showing only running containers. You can see use here Docker PS -A. It will be show all running containers and stopped containers also. See, now I existed from this container and it is stopped also. See if, how it is now here it is not showing any stopped and all those things. See, now I want to see. Okay, status it is showing as a existed. Okay, so I want to see Docker instance Docker inspect. Okay, this container ID. This container ID. Okay. So you can see this one. All the information about this container is. If see what is that container image ID. Okay, when it is created and what type. Okay, this state. See now it is not running as it. If you can see here, it is a false like that running state. Okay, status is existed, guys. Status is existed. Okay, if you can see all the things here, it is showing process ID and everything. It is existed. What are the errors it is coming? It is fast or not? It is running. Okay, all the conditions it will be showing. Okay, similar way, I will show you one running container also. See, I will show you. Docker. Inspect. This container is running, right? To 15 minutes onwards, it is running. I want to show you. If you can see, when it is created, okay, the container ID name, okay, you can see status is running, guys. You can see status is running, okay, running true, it is showing, okay, and whenever you are going to be run, it is going to be provide automatically one IP address also, guys. See, if you can see here, on IP address also it will become. See, this is the IP address for Docker. It will be provided by the Docker only, guys. You no need to be provide anything. Okay, it's provided by the Docker only. Okay, you can see on IP address also. Okay, if you want to see all the information about your Docker container, you can see like this. Or else, if you want to see any image ID also, Docker inspect that image name or image ID you can give. Same similar way, you have to be give guys. Okay. Like this, you have to run a containers. Okay. Inside containers, you are going to be provided as a our application guys. Inside containers, providing as a our application. Our application run as like as a container guys. Okay. See, now I want to run at a time guys. Now I don't want to run create image and all those things. Directly I want to run one created image automatically and automatically run image also. I'm going to be run docker run -atd -name. I'm going to give this time P1 guys. I'm going to give is a my container name is P1. Okay. This time I will take it as a DBN guys. DBN. Okay. Able to find that image. Okay. I'm going to be check here DBN image. Is there. Okay. So I'm going to be run directly. DOCK docker run hyphen ITD interactive terminal and D1 hyphen name hyphen P for port number. See, I also miss port number guys here. Port number name is S3 I am giving guys. Container name is S3. Port number 3580:80 dBn. See now image automatically coming and automatically container also created. See now I'm going to show you Docker images. Docker images. See automatically it is created Debian. Okay. Docker ES. See S3 container it is automatically created. S3 container it is automatically created. Okay. At a time it is automatically created. See like this you are going to be create at a time also guys. See now I'm going to be create Docker. That's why I'm showing again and again guys. It is a same concept. It is similar only because for to avoid the confusion I'm telling as a double time guys. Okay. See again I'm running one more image also. Docker run -itd -name S5 I will take 20 port number 10:0:080. I will take this time alpha image. See automatically it will be created at a time. At a time it is creating guys now. Okay. First I will create it as a individually. Now at a time I created as a directly one Docker image and Docker container. Okay. If you can see Docker, yes. See, this S5 has been coming. See, now stopped container if I want to see Docker PS often automatically is came. Okay. But whenever I am entering any other CentOS, okay, bin bash and all those things, okay, bin bash I given, but this alpha in one, I have to create, okay, I want to enter this alpha in image. There is a differential, it is there, okay, differential means ASH it will be taking, guys, ASH it will be taken. See, I'm going to be Docker. Before I enter into bin bash, right, for Debian and this Nginx and all those things, right, but this alpha is different, okay, Docker exec for entering inside the container, guys. Okay. exec-it. Okay. What is the container name? This alpha image container name? S5. Okay. S5. ASH I'm taking as a ASH, guys. See. Left side user and left side guys. LSML. See. All the things are automatically it is came. Okay. All the things file system, diary system automatically came, guys. See, just before I told you, it is a OS level virtualization. Okay. OS level virtualization. Okay. See. Now I'm going to create some CD. So I'm going to create directories here. Okay. See, I created a two directories. One is one is two, guys. Okay, one is two, guys. Two containers. Sorry. Inside container I enter and I create as a two directories here. If I deleted this container, this data will be there. I will show you. See, now I will come out CD space, one step back. See, now I want to exit inside the content. Okay, I'm going to be exit, guys. I'm going to be exit. Okay, I'm going to be exit, guys. See, now Docker PS-8. See, now it is showing everything. Okay. See, if now I want to stop this container and remove, this data is available. See, now I'm going to be remove this container. How to remove the container? Before I have to stop the container. Okay. Docker stop. See, what is that container name? This one, alpha S5 only. S5. Will take 2 minutes time, guys. See, now I'm going to show you Docker PS. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు లేదు. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఆఫ్ చేశాను. ఓకేనా, డాకర్ ఆర్య ఫోర్స్ఫుల్లీగా రిమూవ్ చేస్తున్నాను కంటైనర్ ని. చూడండి, -F అంటే ఫోర్స్ఫుల్లీ, గైస్. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి రిమూవ్ దిస్ S5. Docker PS1. PS container is there, container is not there. I removed forcefully, guys. That means inside container I kept as some data. Okay, inside container I kept as some data. Whenever I deleted my container, Data also it is gone, right? Data also it is gone. Okay, that's what we came into the picture as a Docker volumes, guys. That's what we have a one concept. It is called as a Docker volumes. Okay, Docker volumes will be there. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss about that Docker volumes, guys. See, up to now, you have to be practice. See how to run as a container. Okay, how to run as a container, how to take a images from locally, and how to run a container directly. How to take it as a container or image at a time. Okay, how to start, how to stop, how to remove, how to forcefully, how to check. Okay, how to deeply knowing the all the containers. I will share this file also, guys. Okay, I will share this file to you. Okay, don't worry. Tomorrow we will discuss this Docker volumes. Okay, these Docker volumes, how to create these Docker volumes and all those things. Today I created one alpha image. Okay, but tomorrow I will show you how to create these volumes and all those things I already created here. Okay, don't worry. Docker volumes and these Docker networks and all those things I will tell you. Okay, up to now, any doubts, Abhi?
No, no, that's no good. We have to practice.
Just be practice. Okay, I will share this file. Okay, this Docker commands and everything. This file I will share you. Okay.
Sure, sure. Thank you.
Diva, what about you, Diva?
Oh, no doubts, sir. So far, we'll practice.
Mahesh, are you there? Thank you.